Hi, I'm Human Sheikh, one of the immigration lawyers here at Westkin Associates. If you're married to a British person or someone who's settled in the UK, the spouse visa allows you to live with them in the UK full time. In this video, we'll go through some of the most common questions so you know exactly what to expect. The spouse visa is designed for couples who are married or in a civil partnership. If you're planning to get married or in an unmarried partnership, we can help you with that too. Each application process is a little bit different, but we'll give you tailored advice based on your cultural backgrounds and personal circumstances. To apply, the partner, who we'll call the sponsor, needs to earn £29,000 per year. If you're in the UK with the right to work, you may also be able to use your income. There's also an option to meet the requirement based on savings. There's specific calculations for all of these, so give us a call and we'll assess your case for free. In addition to the income, you'll need adequate accommodation for the two of you to live, and the applicant will need to pass an English language test. This can be relatively straightforward, and you can also meet it through a qualification or having a passport from an English-speaking country. Lastly, we need to demonstrate a relationship. This will be bespoke and personalised to you. So we'll guide you through step by step, and you'll know exactly what kind of documents you can supply for the strongest possible case. The standard processing time for an application for a spouse visa is around 12 weeks. However, we can help you secure a priority service application, which will process your application within 4 weeks. The government fees are shown on your screen now. In addition to this, you'll also pay the immigration health surcharge, which is a mandatory fee which covers you for unlimited healthcare whilst you're in the UK. In regards to our fees, we tailor them based on the complexity around your case. But for clients who qualify, we'll offer you a no-win, no-fee guarantee, meaning if your visa is not granted, we'll refund all of your money, so you can apply with confidence. At Westkin, you'll work directly with a regulated lawyer, never an assistant or a call handler. We're regulated by the IAA and the SRA, so we take this very seriously. If you've already been refused or your case is complex, don't worry, we can still help. We regularly submit appeals and second-time applications. Just contact us and we'll assess your case and provide you with a clear action plan of how to resolve the matter. If you're ready to apply or just want to know where you stand, we'll be happy to help. Contact us through our website and let's take the next steps together. I'm Human Sheikh. Thank you for watching.